how to add a window sunset effect in CapCut. So if you see videos where it looks like somebody has sunlight streaming through their windows and they get that really aesthetic angle, it's probably just a CapCut filter. So I'll show you how to add that. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on a video and then we're going to go to effects. Once we go to effects, we'll go to video effects. And then we're going to scroll down. So there are a couple of different ones, but sunset one is my favorite.
LED desk
As you can see, it looks like the window pane is there and it gives the sunlight streaming effect. But we can also go back into the video effects and search sunset. And they will give us different options
LED desk lamps to see
for the same thing.
LED desk
but that
lamps
is how
to
you
see
add
which
a
one
sunset window
works
effect